Have you ever wanted to create animated Bible story videos that captivate millions, educate and generate incredible revenue? On this channel, Bible in a Nutshell has done exactly the same, ranking over 18 million views and earning over $50,000 a year. If you're familiar with Social Blade, the CPM ranges the max is at $4. But here's the secret: educational video, especially Bible stories, often have CPM upward at $12 or more. That means this video are earning 3 times the average. You are in luck, because in today's video I'm going to be taking you step by step on how you can replicate this kind of channel easily with your phone and for free in just 4 simple steps. Let's dive in. So we are going to come over to ChatGPT for some ideas. You can write your own script, but we are going to go to ChatGPT and ask for some ideas. This is the prompt I'm going to use. So we are going to copy the first prompt and we are going to take it to ChatGPT. If you want, you can screenshot it for later use. These prompts are going to give you biblical accurate stories for your YouTube channel video, right? Now, as you can see, they are numbered, and also you get story focused messages and engaging elements. So I'm just going to choose the first number, which is David and Goliath. All right, so I'm just going to scroll down. I'm going to write number 1 and I'll send it. Then I'm going to go back over. I'm going to copy the prompt 2. Now this is going to give you visual narration and all that good stuff. We are going to copy it and take it back over to ChatGPT and write it after number 1. Now we have a whole visual and a narration for each scene. Now for each scene there's a visual and a narration, so it's easier for you to create images and your narration. Okay, so we need a voiceover. For this, just go to TTS OpenAI. When you are here, go back to ChatGPT. Wherever you see narration, just copy it and come paste it in TTS OpenAI. So you are going to copy all the narrations from ChatGPT and bring them to TTS OpenAI. Okay, so once you're done, just leave the speed here at 1. Then the quality, leave it at high quality. You are going to come here, click on it, then you are going to choose the voice that narrates your story well. I really do like how Aloy's voice sounds, so I'm just going to pick Aloy and I'll hit on generate.
Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a young shepherd named David. He wasn't the strongest, the tallest, or the fiercest.
You hear that? That is incredible. Just click here to download and it will be downloaded to your phone. Now we are going to head over to Leonardo AI. It's free and it's also an app. We are going to be using it to create our stunning images. Once you are here, click on image generation, paste in your prompt, click here, make sure you put it at dynamic so that we can have very stunning images. Go to settings and set 16:9, that is the standard YouTube ratio, and also the number of images you want for each generation. I'm just going to be selective 4 and I'll click on generate. So Leonardo has generated 4 variations for us. I'm just going to pick one of it. Wow, this is really good. I'm just going to click here and I'll download it straight to my phone. As you can see, our images are just static. We want these images to have motion. Okay, so for us to do that, let's head over to Aleo AI. This platform gives you 1,100 credits every single day. I'm actually on the free account. Okay, click on this plus sign, make sure it's on video because there's also text to image. Okay, click here for you to upload the image you want to turn into video. Okay, once the image is uploaded, you need to put a prompt here. Let's head over to ChatGPT. Once you're in ChatGPT, upload the image you got from Leonardo and tell ChatGPT, please can you help me generate prompt for this image. You are going to send it and ChatGPT is going to generate a prompt for you. Okay, all you're going to do is for you to copy that prompt and take it back to Aleo AI and paste it here. Once you've pasted it there, make sure you are using this one at the middle. After you click on it, just click on this 30 and it's going to generate. Okay, it's going to take a few minutes, but just trust the process. Okay, now the video is ready. Click here to download. Wow, this is really amazing. So let's quickly repeat the process for a deep understanding. Head over to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for scene 2, take it back to Leonardo AI, paste the prompt there and hit on generate. It's going to give you 4 variations. Choose the one that you want. After getting the image, download it to your phone. Once downloaded, head over to Alio AI, upload your photo there. After uploading it, come back to ChatGPT, upload that same photo there and ask ChatGPT, can you please give me a prompt for this image? ChatGPT is going to give you the prompt, copy it, take it back to Alio AI, paste it right there and hit on generate. It's going to take a few minutes and your video will be generated. Okay, that's how you're going to repeat this process for all your image generation. Once that is done, let's head over to CapCut to put the video together. Head over to CapCut, click on new project, select all your video clips, then you click on add. What is being added? Come down here, click on audio, search for sounds in order for us to import our voiceover. Okay, once you get here, click on this file button, click on device and search for your voiceover. What you used to save is going to appear here on this interface just like this. Okay, what you need to do is for you to be playing the voiceover and seeing if your video clips align with it. Make sure that whatever the voiceover is saying, that is exactly what your video is also displaying. Okay, once your voiceover aligns with the video clips, all you need to do is for you to add transitions, those small line in between the video. Just click on it and you are going to choose each transition that you want. Okay, you can decide to use one transition for all the clips in your video, or you can choose to be using different transition. It's all to you, but in this video I'm just going to be using one transition for all the video. Okay, after selecting the transitions that I want to use, I'll just click on apply all and it's going to apply across all the scenes in this video. Okay, so the next step is for us to add background music. For us to do that, just click on sound and come here and choose any music that you want. Okay, I highly recommend that you should take your music from YouTube music library. Okay, but this one's showing red here, they are all free copyrighted. You can choose any one here that suits your video. Once that is done, just make sure you reduce the volume to either 10 or 15 in order for the background music not to overpower our voiceover. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to be playing the full video at the end of this video. Okay, the final process is for us to add captures. Just click on captures. After clicking on it, select the kind of template you want your captures to be in and click on generate. Okay, once you click on generate, it's going to generate all the single captures on this video for you. Okay, as you can see, our capture is done generating. Okay, so your video is ready. What you need to do is for you to export the video. Okay, just click on this export and you can decide to export the video in 180p, in 4K, whatever resolution you want your video to be downloaded in. Just put it there, then hit on export and your video is going to be exported to your device. Okay, so let's take a look at the final video.
Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a young shepherd named David. He wasn't the strongest, the tallest, or the fiercest, but he had something special: unshakable faith in God. While his older brothers were off at war, David spent his days protecting sheep, playing music, and trusting in God's power. One day, David visited his brothers on the battlefield and found the entire army trembling in fear. Why? Because of one man, Goliath, a warrior so massive, he made everyone look like ants. For 40 days, he mocked Israel, daring someone to fight him. But no one dared. David looked around and said, "Wait, why is everyone afraid? Don't we have God on our side?" When King Saul heard this, he called David over. But even the king wasn't convinced. "You're just a boy," Saul said. But David smiled. "I've fought lions and bears to protect my sheep. God saved me then, and he'll save me now." With nothing but a slingshot and 5 smooth stones, David stepped onto the battlefield. Goliath laughed. "This is your champion? A boy with sticks?" But David wasn't afraid. He loaded a stone, swung his sling, and whoosh! The stone flew straight into Goliath's forehead. Boom! The giant crashed to the ground. Just like that, the battle was over. David won, not with strength, but with faith. And that's the lesson. No matter how big your challenge, if you trust in God, He will give you the strength to overcome it. Faith over fear, that's the story of David and Goliath.
If you find this video helpful, please consider smashing the like button and subscribe to the channel.